Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see how many times I played a song on Spotify. So let's get started. So if you want to check how many times you played a song on your Spotify account, so to do that you just have to simply open up your Spotify application. And after opening up your Spotify, now what you can do is just simply tap on your library. And after tapping on your library, now you will access your libraries with your playlist. So from here you just have to select one of the playlists that you have created, or you can just simply create one, and after creating it, now you have to tap on add to this playlist. After tapping on add to this playlist, now these are the songs that you have mostly heard on Spotify. So these are the songs that have been played. So in the top is the song that you have most played. By going bottom, these are the which have been least played. So in this way you can find your most played song and then least played song, but there is no other way to find how many times you have played. So you can search a song which you have mostly played, which is on the top, and by going down to the bottom are the least played song. So this is the only way how to search that. So that's it guys, this is how to see how many times I played a song on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.